Very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back again to the online classes. This is Jackson sir, and we are going to study about the new chapter number 3. Its heading is noun. So previous classes we have studied about the kinds of sentences and kinds of what is sentence and what is about the subject and predicate. We have learned everything. Now today we are going to learn about the noun. First of all, I would like to ask, what is noun? As we all know that in the previous school or in the previous classes, in previous chapters, we have studied about the noun. Noun is a naming word. It's the name of any place, person, things, animals, etc. is called noun. But now we have some other definitions about the noun. What is that? Noun are the names of a person, place, things, and quality, state or action. For example, girl, puppy, garden, bomb, etc. These are all the names. What and all the names you get, that is called noun. And what are the different kinds of nouns? How many kinds of nouns are there? There are mainly 4 different kinds of nouns. What are they? First one is common noun, second one is proper noun, third one is collective noun, and fourth one is abstract noun. What is common noun? Common noun is the name that can be given to all person, animals, place or thing of the same kind. Did you understand? The name which is given to same kind of people. Either it is place, person, thing or whatever it may be. If you are giving a same name for the same people, is called common noun. And always keep it in mind, the common noun never begins with the capital letter. Okay, what is that? A common noun never begins with the capital letter. And noun can be countable and as well as uncountable, either in singular or in plural. Keep it in mind. Once again I am repeating you. Common noun never begins with a capital letter and it will be always in countable and uncountable, whether it is singular or in plural. Then what comes over the next one is, another one is the proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is the particular name of a person, place or thing. For example, flower, Tokyo, Jackie, these are all the name which is given for a particular person or animals or place or things. A name which is given particular for anything is called proper noun. And always keep it in mind, as I said you in the common noun, it never begins with a capital letter, but in the proper noun, always it starts with the capital letter. Okay, did you understand that one? And the third one, it comes about the collective noun. Third one is collective noun. What is collective noun? A noun that denotes a collection of collection means a numbers. एक साथ मतलब अधिक मात्रा में होना. एक collective noun is denotes about the collection of person, place or thing or in group of together is called collective noun. And one more thing is that to be noted, collective noun can be both in singular and in plural. What does it mean? A collective nouns can be both in singular and plural. For example, bouquet, galaxy. These are the examples which will be in collective nouns. Okay. जो एक से अधिक होता है वो चाहे वो सिंगुलर में हो या प्लूरल में हो, वो कलेक्टिव नाउन में आएगा. एंड द लास्ट वन इज abstract noun. What is abstract noun? An abstract noun are the names of state, quality and action. I have written over here, it denotes about the state, quality and action. They are the names of thoughts, feelings, action and skills. Abstract noun में क्या क्या आता है? Thoughts, feelings, action and skills. and they cannot be heard, touched, or smelled or tasted. These things cannot be done by our five sense organs. ना वो उसको हम छू सकते हैं, ना उसको हम देख सकते हैं, ना उसको हम सूंघ सकते हैं, ना उसको हम स्वाद ले सकते हैं. But we can feel it, we can experience it. That is called abstract noun. For example, if you are going to demonstrate about the state, it means उसकी अवस्था क्या है, उसकी परिस्थिति क्या है. Peace, anger, sorrow, this all comes about the state. And what does come about the quality, kindness, truthness, faithfulness, this all comes about the quality. And what comes about the action? Action means laughing, moving, playing, flying, respecting anyone. This all comes about the action. So this is what we are going to, what we learn today about the noun. What is noun? Noun is the naming word. And how many kinds of nouns are there? There are 4 different kinds of noun. They are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. Common noun never begins with the capital letter. Proper noun always begins with the capital letter. Collective nouns, it will be in the both singular and in plural. And the abstract nouns denotes the state, quality, and action. This was the chapter. If you have any problem, you can consult to me, you can talk to me, you can ask to me, and I will be helping you. And if you want to get more details about it, you can come to my YouTube channel and you can subscribe in my channel, and I will be there to represent all the questions and to make clear you about the topics and the chapter. Thank you. May God bless you all. Have a nice day.